taking my lunch break. I'm done early, but we're gonna have a staff meeting, so oh my gosh, guys, look, you know I collect hydrangea, right? I'm at $3 and they have this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's clean. Oh my gosh. I collect hydrangeas, I don't care. And there are like sets. Finally. I need 4 of each. And they also have. Is that cool? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this microwavable? Say. I can't read, you know. Oh yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. I want to be one. And how much is this though? If it's $125, I'll let you know. Oh my god, it's so wholesome. I don't even need this, but now I do. Look, they also have that. They have cups. Me too. I'm gonna buy this, and I need one. Oh, oh my god! What the hell? I need